Oh hey, it's been a while. A lot has happened in between the last devlog and this devlog. I got married, went to another friend's wedding. Yeah, a lot of things. Been busy, worked on other side projects, more or less completed them. One of them being my own personal website. I kind of revamped that and did a whole bunch of things there. But yeah, in the meantime, with Space Doggo, not a lot has happened. However, I've created a new UI, and it's obviously still a bit of work in progress. So this is got a new UI built on top of Yoga Flexbox, which is a C++ implementation of Flexbox from Facebook. So it still has all the same basic functionality. Over here, this background, obviously, I need to do something here. You can't re-teleport there, but you can teleport to the PlayStation, Space Station. Still talk to Tumbo. You can see here, this is still the old I am GUI UI, which is obviously still works, but it's not very customizable. Much better suited to debug stuff. So I've got an inventory. So I can pick up a chair, comes in over here. Yeah, the main advantage of, so you might be wondering why. The main advantage is, if I come over here, yeah, UI element. Okay, so I've got a little bit of a messy, but almost works. I've got a yoga debugger for the Flexbox stuff. And if I pick up these, be able to see in here now, I've got this, and then, so we can see here, I've kind of got it like the game UI inventory window contains a 9 slice. A 9 slice is basically a stretchable panel for the background. I've got the text up the top for the heading. Clearly the width goes outside the window. Down here, got another 9 slice, which don't know where it is. These might be, these are some of the other things. Game UI interactables and the teleporter UI. Scroll down. Yeah, inventory item. There we go. So we can see here, got this text here, a button here. The main advantage of Flexbox is that you can do certain things that would otherwise be a bit of a pain. Let's try this out right now, see how well it works. If I update this, yeah, if I update that margin, that sort of just pushes things across. And better yet, if I look at the text, now the width of that text box is now much shorter because I've increased the margin on this drop button. Basically, it gives a nicer way of handling layout, and I've done a lot of web dev work in my life. I'm quite used to handling web UI style stuff. It does mean that you have to go through and like individually create things. It's not an immediate GUI like I am GUI, but it also means that there's less memory being generated. Like for all of this, it's like once I generate, the UI buttons once, that's it. I'm not generating again. I had to go in there and create some basic mouse interaction stuff, mount an event system. I guess I need some better feedback for us. Like, there's no teleporters nearby. Yeah, other ship. There we go. Greg. And obviously I still need to do this and have it that the other UI windows disappear when dialogue is happening. But yeah. So one of the other things that I hope to be able to do with this, because it is kind of more customizable, and that the yoga layout stuff just kind of says, well, based on the parameters you've set, this is how big your panel should be. It should be easy enough to add like animated transforms on top of that. So it can be like, oh, well, the window is now supposed to be this big, so animate from what it currently is to what it is, lerp between the two, and have some animations for like windows getting bigger and things popping in and out and all of that. Again, stuff that I'm sure could be done with IamGUI, but like it's kind of not it's not really its intention for that sort of stuff. I also started on a particle system, which I don't have an example of right here, but I didn't get well, I kind of got somewhere with it, but I didn't actually implement any use of it. Let's just use Greg's ship. There we go. Yeah, didn't end up actually haven't used any of the particle stuff. I kind of wanted to have like some trails coming out from behind ships and like maybe something coming off stars and all sorts of things. Yeah, hoping to get back into some more Space Doggo. I've got some more ideas as well about where I want to take with this next. And yeah, so hopefully it won't be months and months until the next devlog. Alright, see you later.